Hey, welcome back ladies and gentlemen. Joshua here with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to attach a hook to your main line. Now this is a video tutorial for beginners. So a couple months ago, more like 6 to 8 months ago, I showed you how to attach a swivel to your main line and your leader, and that had a lot of success. So I want to help you beginners. Let's jump in. I'm going to show you 2 simple knots that you can actually learn to tie in under a minute, and it'll get you fishing. Let's go. Alright, so the very first knot, and please don't mind the scales guys, catching a lot of mackerel today, but the very first knot we're going to do is called the improved clinch knot. Go ahead and take your leader material, pass it through the eyelet of your hook, just like that. And then what I like to do is hold my middle finger here, and then wrap your tag in 4 to 7 times depending on the diameter. If it's a smaller diameter, you want to pass it more. Now you'll see that you have a loop here. You want to go ahead and run that tag in right back through the loop. Now you could use saliva and cinch it down right there and your knot would be finished, but what I like to do to make it that much stronger is to pass it back through the loop here. And it should be right here. Use a little saliva, pull it tight, and you'll see that that cinches down beautifully. Very, very simple knot. Guys, this is one of the very first knots I learned with my grandfather, and it will work. It's probably, realistically, the only knot you really ever need to know. But hang on, I'm going to show you another one that's just as strong and super simple. The very next knot that I would advise to learn is the loop knot. All you do is take your main line, do a simple overhand knot, so it should look like this, and then what you do is you put your hook on just like that, so you should be here. At this point, run this line back through that loop that you just made, and then you want to wrap it 3 times around the main line. 1, 2, 3. So now we're here. Put your tag in through here, moisten with saliva, and then simply pull tight. And now you could trim, and that is how you tie the loop knot, which is going to give your bait fish or lure the best action. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video demonstration on how to attach a hook to a fishing line or a main line. If you did, please give a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hey, let me know what type of instructionals or tutorials would you like to know below. I can do them for both beginners and the pro. So if you want to know something or want to learn something, let me know below. And guys, the loop knot and the improved clinch knot, 2 easy knots, and 2 of the most common knots that I use on a regular basis. So until next time guys, we'll see you on the water.